G'day guys, so it's my first day to use this Manfrotto spinner bag, and here are my quick reviews. Just my first day of using it. I've seen a lot of faults and things that I don't like. They're not mentioned in any other vlogs. I hope you appreciate it, but yeah, just me being me. The first issue that I saw was that thing's like facing that way, and there's nothing to pull the zip, and it usually bites through that. So right now I can't close it anymore because it's biting that thing. So that's the initial issue. And the zippers here, they go out of the rail. Sometimes they go crazy. They don't follow the, I don't know, it's the curve. It's not smooth sometimes. This is where you store your laptop and everything else. When you open this part here, the zippers are not that smooth, but they're fine. When you open it, this Velcro here, which holds this from opening, it's flimsy. It doesn't hold, like it just falls off. So yeah, these ones, they're so annoying. Like they can't be removed. It just stays there, and it's supposed to be holding this Velcro thingy-majiggies there. But it's so flimsy, it just falls off. When you open your bag, it just falls off. So yeah, they should have used like strong Velcros or something. Or I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. But yeah, those are so bad. This works well. I love this. Really annoyed with this. I just can't iterate. And also, when you're trying to open the bag, these corners here, the zips are not smooth. It just gets tangled, but with practice it might work. But yeah, it's a bit annoying. Also, when you try to open the bag this way and you put it on the wall, that thing is annoying also there. Those, let me see, these ones here. These are so annoying because it does like this. When you try to open it, all your stuff falls off. Yeah, here you go. So when you try to open your bag this way and you try to quickly get some stuffs there, they fall off. If these zippers were just from, like, when you open it this way, so when it's opened halfway up, your stuff stays here. So if you do this, it's not gonna fall, but yeah, they're open up here. So by the time you do that, your stuff falls. So yeah, that's annoying. I hope you understand me. Like, the zipper should open this way, not this way. Because when this is angled like that, like when it's angled like that, these things fall out there. Like that. So all my stuff's here on this pocket just fell earlier. I'm so pissed it happens. These ones are just fine. It works as it is. Sorry. This one here is good because it covers it. Just assurance. But these pockets are supposed to be very useful. They're kind of useful, but annoying because yeah, these things fall. This one here, yeah, that one, annoying. So this too, annoying. Other than that, yeah, the bag works fine. It's not for heavy carrying of stuff, but yeah, I'm not gonna use it anymore. I'm gonna use this. No, I'm gonna use this for photo only, not for video, because I got annoyed. Minimal photography gigs or travel.